Hello and welcome to AlleyKat's Corner. What I'm going to show you today is fixing the lawnmower. I done took the top plate off and I'm going to clean it up some. But basic Craftsman lawnmower with a Bridge & Stratton engine. 90% of why a lawnmower won't start is its carburetor. And look how dirty it is. So I'm going to be pulling this carburetor off, showing you how to clean every piece. Majority of the time, it's the jet that causes most of your problems. And just stay tuned. I'll show you. And like and subscribe. Anyway, excuse the traffic going by. It's pretty loud. But don't lose your bolts. I had to take a ratchet to loosen it. And then I just used my ratchet screwdriver to get this carb off. The rest of the video, I will be silent to speed up the process. Okay, back in the house, what I have here is a little soak going for all the parts. I'm going to pull them out in a minute. The air filter is gone. I just washed it best I could, and I'm going to have to use it for now until I can get another one. But I just cleaned it up best I could. And I got a few parts drying, and here's this little thing we call the carburetor. And this controls the butterfly, which the choke allows the gas to go in and out into the engine. And this is the bowl. The bowl has your jet in it. I guarantee you when I open this, it's going to be caked. It already smells like bad gas, old gas. So cleaning this out will more than likely fix my issue. I almost guarantee you. Okay, so the bottom bolt of the bowl, you hold it down. And you pop it off with a ratchet usually. And it come off pretty easily. And gas is going to come out. So I'm going to hold it over here real quick. Alright. Being a well-ventilated area when you do this, I'm fixing to have to open a window. And there's the bottom plug. And let's pull the ball. Not too bad, but you can see a little bit of gunk in there. But we're going to clean all of this out, so. It's all going to need a cleaning. And do not lose your pieces, whatever happens. But there's that. I'm going to go open a window. I'll be right back. Next, we're going to pull the floater off. There's a little pin. It slides right out. Keep up with your pieces. And then you pull the floater off. And I done knocked something off of it. Just a little pin. But anyway, it goes in the little hole there. Just remember where all your little pins and pieces go. And I got a little bowl. I'm putting them all in. And The jet is down in here. And we've got to get that out. Next. And that gasket's wore out. I'm just going to leave it on there. It needs a new gasket, but it'll still run. Alright, let's work on getting this jet out. Okay, what I did, I'm going to stick a pipe cleaner down in the jet. See if we can get this gunk out. Should come up to the back. Behind the butterfly. It's pretty clean. I'm not going to have to pull that out. Anyway, give it a few swipes so it'll clean up real good. Okay, anyway, I took a pipe cleaner and cleaned the jet, which is right there, and the little secondary where the little pin come out. And there's a few other little wheat poles on the back side, on the inside there, on the left and right. I got those clean. And it wasn't too bad, mainly bad gas in the bowl and a little crud in the jet. Not too bad. Just a little dirty. Okay, this is going in a soak. And there you are, folks. I got it all put back together. Used a toothbrush, scrubbed it. Put the bowl back on. Make sure you put the floater back in. There's a little pin that sets in the floater, that sets in the carburetor. And then you put the bowl back on and you tighten it down. Make sure the seal inside the bowl is still in it. The only problem I'm going to run into is the gasket. It's ain't no good. But I'll have to replace that later. For now, we're going to try to make one.